Sam, your microphone check कर. Yeah. But now we are going introduction, like what we were the like topic. Yeah, but when he will enter, he will open his slide. Yes, sir. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today we are 3 people in a group. We'll describe about the 3 major problems in the world. Satyam will explain about the environmental effect in the world. Me will explain about the food crisis, and the Chinmay Solanki will explain about the Fukushima nuclear disaster. I will welcome Satyam, who will explain about the major problems in the environment.
Thank you, Anish Patel. Today I have a great opportunity to say about the environmental effect. Environmental effect, sir, remote, okay, thanks. Today, environment is polluting day by day, and we can do something for, we have to do something for environment. Albert Einstein said, look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. The atmosphere of the country is called the environment. In fact, our environment is everything that around us, living thing and non-living thing together, with a lot of unnatural factors happening around us, terms of human interpretation with the environment. Our natural environment is diseases decrease day by day. The natural resources such as land, water, etc., and air are greatly affected those activities from human that are going on at the first place. First of all, I will describe about the land pollution. Land pollution affected many ways. The causes of land pollution are deforestation and soil erosion, agriculture activities, mining activities, overcrowded landfills, industrialization, and many more. Land pollution means the degradation of the destruction of earth, surface and soil, directly or indirectly as a result of human activities. Industrial waste such as chemical fly ash and cylinder with residues of combustion of soil fuels, garbage, plastics, rubber, clothes, leather, construction, rubbish, and demolition of building, dead animals like dog, cat, bird, and so on. The land pollution is caused by solid waste and chemical. One of the major problems of the large cities is disposal of solid waste material, including the farm and animal manure. Land pollution had led to series of issues that we have come to realize in recent times. After decades of neglect, the increasing number of barren land plots and the decreasing number of forests cover is at the alarming ratio. In sanitary landfill, a layer about 2% of refuse is covered by at least 23 centimeter of earth, ash or other intermaterial up to the level of hold choose. Now I will talk about the air pollution. Air pollution is also done in many ways, like from factories, mills, our cars, smoke of our car. Here, the causes of air pollution. Emissions from industries and manufacturing activities. Transport is also the source of air pollution. Boiling of fossil fuels. Air pollution can result from both human activities and natural activities. The industries, transportation may and more pollution of human action. Natural events that pollute the air include the forest fires, volcanoes eruption, wild erosion, and natural ratio activity. One of the most serious problems that we have is air pollution that we breathe. people can help to improve the air we breathe. In order to improve the quality of the air, we have to be more conscious about what causes the kind pollution and the effects on it. The air pollution caused harm and discomfort to humans or other living organization, and also damage our natural environment. Air pollution causes biggest problems such as air quality in capital city getting worse. There is many smoke gases, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide that can make people sick. Kind of diseases by air pollution such as pneumonia, tuberculosis, and many more. Nowadays, water pollution is also going to be more and more nowadays. The causes of water pollution are industrial waste, sewage and water waste, marine dumping, chemical fertilizing and plastics, accidental oil leakage, leaking from swell lines, radioactive waste leaking from the landfills. Water is life, and in needed they were right. About 70% of Earth covers being water. It become one of the great resource. Approximately 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water. Water is a very dynamic system, and any change in its normal contact could affect local, regional, and eventual worldwide water. Water is covers 2/3 of the Earth's surface, with 97% of in the oceans, less than 1% in freshwater streams and lakes. Oil is one of the world's biggest pollutant. Oil is usually split or leaked from the land or rivers and flow from them to sea or oceans. Water pollution may be defined as any chemical or physical change in water determination to live organism. It can occur through natural process. For example, production by natural erosion. Water bodies are major recipient of any extent of waste produced by human activities. With waste ranging from floating plastics on bags, chemical waste, our water bodies can be turned into the pool of poison. Last but not least, everyone must also take small effort in reducing the amount of environment degradation. Try switching to fuel efficient vehicle, use cloth bag instead of plastic bags, are highly non-biodegradable and do not get decomposed in the environment. They lead to a lot of environment pollution. Following such as small activities in our day-to-day lives, we can ensure that we do our bit of keeping the environment healthy and making our earth is better place to live. Thank you. Now my friend Anish is going to say something about the food crisis.
Satyam. Hello, good morning everyone. Today I will describe about the one major problems in the world. Did anyone know the major problems in the world? Food crisis. 7 people out of 8 are going to sleep without dinner every day in the world. At every 3.46 seconds, 1 people die in the world due to hunger for food. Due to not good agricultural facilities in a country like South Africa, children are suffering from malnutrition. Some countries have a good farming system like China and India, but even some parts they don't have a good transportation system. So the food grown by a farmer is totally wasted. The first major reason of a food crisis is the poverty. In 2007 and 2008, price of many products rises by 100%, like rice, cereal, wheat. A person who not able to spend money on a basic needs like food, clothes is known as a poverty. If a price of many products increase by 10%, it leads to the 10 million people towards the poverty around the world. Poor people spend their whole income in the food, even though they are not able to feed completely. In a country like India, South Africa, Mexico, and Indonesia. In 2012, 46.5 millions of people, means 50% of the world population, are under poverty. The second important reason for the food crisis is the food insecurity. Famine and hunger are the both root of food crisis. Food is insecure due to some weather condition like heavy rain or hurricane, or due to some governmental policy. 40% of the world land is degraded from agriculture for the industrial and residential housing. Moreover, food is not stored in a good place, like as you are seeing in a picture, the wheat is totally destroyed in a heavy rain and it caused food crisis. In developed countries like United States, 40% of their food is wasted each year. So at last, how we can overcome from this problem? First of all, companies, the employee who is working in the company should increase the wages of the people. In the technological world, government should use the media to spread awareness about the food crisis so the people don't waste the food. Organizations should be established which collect funds from developed country for the developing country, which help them in many ways like to buy clothes, to buy food, and so on. Now I am giving you the useful information about the food crisis and malnutrition with the help of handout. To sum up, prevention is better than cure. People have to secure food at good places and create more employment, which will reduce the poverty in the present world. Thank you.